Why should you sign up with my credit repair company over all the thousands and thousands of options that you have? Well, it's a great question, and here's why. So there's so many options. I mean, Lexington Law, they've been sued I don't know how many times, but people still sign up for their services because they're popular. I mean, the most popular thing about them is their name, Lexington Law. Anytime you put law in a name, people think, oh, they can definitely get the job done. And also, they spend millions of dollars on marketing and advertising. You see their name everywhere. You don't see my name anywhere hardly, because we don't pay for marketing. We don't pay for advertising. We're not even on Google. We're not even on Yelp. Why? So why should you sign up with me if I'm not on those things? Being on Google, being on Yelp, none of that stuff means anything. At least it doesn't to me. And here's why. It's so easy to create fake reviews on all of those platforms. I mean, the scammer does it. And that's not really me just taking a shot at him. There's other people that do the same thing. And the number one reason I'm not on Google and Yelp is because I know he's going to go on there and create fake reviews. And I don't want that. And I'm not going to allow that. So the other reasons why I think my company is the best is because we will outwork any credit repair company there is. End of story. I mean, that's the God's honest truth. We have attorneys that work on our behalf as well in the pre-litigation credit repair. They're going to go over your file every month. We're not just sending them when we think there might be a violation. That's how most credit repair companies that offer pre-litigation work. They don't even send your files to an attorney till round 4 to round 6. When you sign up with us, we're going to send them to them the same exact day. As long as we have that annual credit report, we are going to send it to the attorneys. We mail everything via certified mail. Not all companies do that. Some companies do. I'm not saying we're the only company. We will provide you with copies of our letters that we mail to the bureaus. We have nothing to hide. We want you to see what we're sending the bureaus. You deserve to see what we are sending the bureaus. That's just part of the service. We don't have reviews all over the internet. But that's because I'm just not going to allow these people that I guess you can say I have beef with to create these fake reviews. I mean, they've been on my channel, left fake comments, weird names from other countries, and just stuff that somebody that's in another country would do anyway. But yeah, I feel like our company's the best. I know every credit repair company in the freaking world probably feels the same exact way. But like I always say, if they're so good, if their services are so good, how come they don't show results like we do? We don't have near the clients they have. Lexington Law has thousands and thousands of clients. I don't have that many clients. Could you imagine the amount of results that I would post if I had thousands of clients like that? I would literally have to pay people just to post the results that I get. I'm just telling you, when it comes to getting results, nobody works harder than Everything Credit and the team that we have. Not just the attorneys, the experts at disputing. From start to finish, you're in the best hands. I'm always available. If you need me, if you have a question, you can text or email. I'm probably harder to get on the phone than the president, but that's because I'm busy working. I can't do everything. I can't please everybody. That's a part of business. I'm only one person. I'm not about to hire a call center to take calls for my clients to call in, because the problem with that is they don't even know about credit repair. They just know how to answer a phone and take a message and ask a question. That's it. And I don't want to do that. It's a waste of time and a waste of money, in my opinion. People want to talk to me. They don't want to talk to anybody else. And that's just how it's always been in business. But anyway, I hope you all are having a great Saturday. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Hope you all have a great weekend.